Hello everyone and welcome back. If you have seen my previous video, I will be moving all of my mining equipment to the new area. It is more calm and less crowded. At the moment I'm trying to plan everything for next week, and by everything I mean I'll need to increase power by changing electrical sockets and cables, as well as purchasing new power distributing units and place a new electrical meter so I will know precisely how much each ASIC or a mining rig consumes. Those things usually require a good 2 weeks, but since I'm kind of limited in time, I want to finish everything within 5 working days, basically by the end of next week. To do all that, I'm hiring a professional electrician because I want to be sure that everything is going to be done by an experienced person, since it is a rented place and I do not want anything to go wrong. I have decided to take you guys with me on that little journey so you could see what I'm doing and how I'm doing that, just in case you wish to do the same in your house or a separate area for mining. Okay, now let's talk about helium. For the past 2 months, I've noticed one thing. Every hotspot is earning less than it used to. Even when the price of HNT token was rising quite high, anyway the earnings were pretty low. I'm not saying that before they were like super high, but still before each hotspot managed to earn 1.5 or 2 HNTs every 24 hours. Since I had 5 of them, it used to be something around 7.5 or 10 HNTs. Now all 5 of them earned 0.82. And that is very low, considering some other people mining hundreds or I've heard even thousands per day with only one device. Of course, because those are big towns and they have like thousands of them in one city. HNT reward halving is going to be here in 99 days, and I cannot even imagine how it will affect my earnings. So does it mean I need to purchase more devices? Or should I just purchase HNT tokens from someone who mined them with their hotspots and then maybe hold it until they increase their value? It is something we should consider actually, because what we can expect from halving is an increase in price since supply decreases. Therefore, August is kind of crucial period for Helium. The functionality of the cryptocurrency network relies on a coin or a token retaining its monetary value. A distribution schedule with regular halvings is designed to support this by creating a supply squeeze and reducing the inflation rate. And yes, it is the same as inflation rate for gold. You are probably starting to think, what exactly halving going to do with the supply? Will it be divided in half, or will the earnings be divided? Well, that is not what I'm saying here. My point is, what will happen to the price after the 1st of August? But wait a second, some of you might still be shocked of my hotspot earnings. Since I said earlier, some people are earning hundreds or thousands of them each day from one device. Yes, it is pretty sad that it does not earn that much. And no, I'm not planning on shutting down my hotspots or selling them. I guess it is just not that popular in Geneva. I see more hotspots in Zurich and other cities in German part of Switzerland. I was recently checking the graph to do my own analysis, and I have noticed that Helium is growing with a pretty substantial rate. The future of Helium looks very promising to me, and please guys, consider the fact that I'm not here to give you any financial advice. Everything what I'm saying and what I have said is either for entertainment purposes or I'm just sharing my own experience with you. So the conclusion is simple. If you're like me in the city where there are no hotspots around you, you should be prepared to something like this I've just explained before. Will I purchase HNT tokens? Yes, I will. When? Probably before end of June. Why? Because I think it will increase in price. I think this is going to be the end of this video because I have other things to do. Oh, actually, one thing I forgot to point out. I've noticed that 92% of the viewers are not subscribed. Guys, come on, aren't you interested in winning my international giveaway when we reach 1000 subscribers? I think you should consider subscribing now, because the sooner you subscribe, the sooner I will do the giveaway. And I can say for sure that you would need that before August. Who knows, maybe it will be one of my Helium hotspots. Bye bye guys.